4 exits. 2 up here with me, 2 exits in the back with George. For the folks in the back, George will show you how to use that rear exit, okay? Alright, my name is Tim Kachur. I'm a pilot here at Seawings Dubai.
Have you ever wondered what an aerial view of Dubai looks like? Well, the Seawings plane is the first thing that comes to mind, which is like a mini charter plane taking tourists and residents alike on sightseeing trips up in the air. Imagine if the view is so breathtaking, what would the pilot's job look like? Today we're meeting Chief Pilot of Seawings, Tim Kachur, Director Flight Operations. So let's ask him how he landed this job in Dubai.
A friend of mine worked here and I was in Australia doing a contract there, and he sent me the information, and yeah, it all kind of meshed together, which was nice. Yeah.
No one would probably know Dubai from the air more than Tim does. So here are the highlights of his job and what's it like seeing Dubai from the sky every single day.
It's a very interesting place to fly over every day because it's ever changing. You fly over every day and you'll notice a new building that's half built somewhere along the way. You notice just something's always happening. It's a very busy city with cranes and buildings just popping up everywhere.
On tour, they fly at an altitude of 1,000 to 2,000 feet, and the aircraft is very reliable and have been used for almost 40 years.
This is our Cessna Caravan Amphibian. So it seats 9 people. As you can see, we have a nice bench seat in the back all the way through. At this point, we are only flying 6 people due to the restrictions with COVID, but usually we're flying around 9. A cockpit up here.
Tim wishes that he could avoid the summer months in Dubai as it can get really hot.
I'm not a huge fan of the midsummer long, like really hot days. I don't hate them, but I prefer this time of year, definitely. And I love the dynamic workplace, always changing, always keeping you on your toes, changing environment. I love that.
So before you fly up in the air, there's a mandatory briefing that you have to follow before sitting in the flight. It is to take you through all the necessary and safety precautions. Well, Tim does this every single day, showing Dubai off to his passengers. And what a stunning sight it is. Well, we can just get used to this. What about you?